May I, in German.
Darf ich?
For polite permission. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there, ready to power up your polite German in minutes? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your magic key is
Darf ich?
which means may I. Think of it as a polite key that opens doors, different from
Kann ich?
which is about ability. Let's make it easy, fun, and super usable right away. Your goal today. You'll master one tiny phrase that makes you instantly courteous. Use
Darf ich?
when you need
Erlaubnis.
permission. At the door, you smile and begin with
Darf ich?
in class or a meeting, whisper politely first.
Darf ich?
Add a friendly
Bitte.
to be extra sweet.
Darf ich? Bitte.
Contrast time
Kann ich?
equals ability, while
Darf ich?
equals permission. If the answer is no, you might hear
Du darfst nicht.
mini dialogue at the cafe. Act it out with me and smile. Cafes love polite people. A. Excuse me. You.
Darf ich das Fenster öffnen?
A. Sure, go ahead. Narrator. A friendly robot rolls by, scanning outlets, beeping.
Darf ich?
Before charging, even robots ask nicely. Pronunciation, gesture, and rhythm. Let's make it sound natural and confident. Say
Darf.
with a clear F, then the soft German
Ich.
sound, like air slipping over your tongue. Add a polite micro gesture, a slight head tilt and a small hand raise, like knocking on the air. Now tap a 2-beat chime, Darf ich. Keep it calm and friendly, as if you're in a quiet library getting instant yes energy. Quick quiz. Ready for a speedy check? Which German phrase means may I? Answer.
Darf ich?
Ability versus permission. Which one asks permission?
Kann ich?
Or.
Darf ich?
Answer.
Darf ich?
Negative reply. You may not equals.
Du darfst nicht.
Polite starter combo. Begin with.
Entschuldigung.
Then ask.
Darf ich?
Culture tip. A tiny tweak earns big smiles in German-speaking places. Start with
Entschuldigung.
excuse me, then use
Darf ich?
then your request. At doors or counters, a light knock, a small step forward, and a warm tone go far. It's respectful, efficient, and very German, instant green light vibes. Challenge and goodbye. Let's lock it in and wrap up strong. Your challenge. Ask 3 things today starting with
Darf ich?
for example,
Darf ich eintreten?
may I enter? And
Darf ich hier sitzen?
may I sit here? Thanks for listening. Keep practicing and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, games, and boosts. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for learning with us, and see you next time.